Hey, what's up, Telcoin holders? So the current condition is very critical now for all of you, my brother, and absolutely the condition is critical because all crypto market is very badly falls down. So all holder ask me to win Telcoin, my brother, thumbs up. Win holder. So I will tell you in this video, but kindly holder, you need to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's start the prediction. Please, my brother, be focused now to what I tell you. Don't skip any second and understand better now, my brother. Telcoin from last especially last 2 or 3 days, my friend, this coin is very good and the profit completely, my brother. But in last 24 hours this coin is completely in the loss now. So what's the reason? And absolutely, my brother, I will tell you the reason. But this time you can see here, my friend, and the lost they are lost in last 24 hours just in only. Otherwise in last 7 days also this coin is in the profit, and last 1 hour also is in the profit. But in last 24 hours this coin is dumped down. So therefore all holder ask me starting to what we do, hold, sell or buy in upcoming time. Can there is if future is going to be bright or not? Let's see, my brother. First of all, I want to tell you, my brother, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move upward because this time, my brother, Telcoin is starting a lot of collaboration of a lot of companies. So therefore I am 100% sure if they collaborate with companies, so I hope they will move upward now. But definitely, my friend, that's all possible if you are hold. So hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, they will give you a very good profit. So don't sell it. Remember, my brother, I hope they will give you a very good profit. So what's the opinion, my brother? My opinion is also hold, and my prediction is absolutely simple now, my brother. Upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move upward now because if we check out, my friend, if we just only online, my friend, live predicted. So I hope, my brother, they will move upward now. Exactly, my brother. After this firms they will fail us down, but definitely, my friend, you can see here in the last point the arrow is moving upward. So that's mean to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move upward now. Let's see, holder. Please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.